Hey everybody, it's Mike Whiteside, and it's time for the Daily Paint Dog. I'm in the epicenter of Black Dog Salvage Furniture Paint, and I'm with Swoos, who is our master of color, and she's got a palette for June. I think it's called Nautical June, and being an old sailor, it strums my heartstrings, so to speak. So I'm going to turn it over to Swoos, and she'll let you know what she's doing this month. All right?
Hi everybody, I want to introduce you to our June color palette. I fondly named it Nautical June because I'm a Navy girl too. My whole family is Navy, as well as Mike and Robert. So we started out with 3 of our pre-mixed colors: Clean Canvas, Star City Sunshine, and Blue Ridge. And from there I built the palette, which to me just reeks of water and sunshine and summertime. School's out, everybody's starting on vacation. So here we have our 3 pre-mixed colors: Star City, Blue Ridge, and Clean Canvas. And from that, I brought back out our color, Our Navy, which we've been doing a lot with lately down in the shop. It's just a really good, true navy, 2 parts Blue Ridge to 1 part Black Dog. Next to it is Sailor Blue, which is just a lighter version of Blue Ridge. I created a tint. It's 1 part Blue Ridge, 1 part Clean Canvas, and then my new favorite, Faded Denim, which is 1 part Blue Ridge, 2 parts Galvanized, 2 parts Clean Canvas, because my favorite clothing in the summertime is faded denim. So I'm hoping that you will try some of these colors out, and I'm wishing you blue skies, sunny days, and a wind to sail your boat across that lake.
Fair winds and following seas is what we always said, because nobody wants to beat the weather.
That's right, that's right.
So happy Memorial Day to everybody, and I hope you have people in your family that are honored on that day and will be honored on those days, because it's all about the red, white, and blue.
Yes, it is.
All right, so y'all take care of yourself. We'll see you next time it goes around when we have the July
palette.
July palette. So appreciate it. Be good to yourself. We'll see you next time.
Take care.